Himatnagar Assembly Constituency, superscript 1I acute diaresis, degrees mu 3/4 diaresis adula 3/4 C is one of the 182 Assembly constituency of Gujarat. It is located in Sabarkantha District. List of segments. This assembly seat represents the following segments: Himatnagar Taluka, Balota Taluka, Part, Villages, Nanki, Kapreta, Fatipur, Meditimba, Naroda, Mankdi, Shangal, Bamna, Siholi, Punison, Duleta, Vantdi, Hathral, Nani Bieber, Rajendranagar. Talad Taluka, Part, Village, Charanbanta. Total number of voters. Member of Legislative Assembly 2007, Praful by Patel, Bharatiya Janata Party. 2012, Rajendra Singh Chavda, Indian National Congress. 2014, Rajendra Singh Chavda, Bharatiya Janata Party. Election results 2014, 2012. References